What if I told you there is an e-commerce marketplace where the average order value is over $250 and you are competing with far fewer sellers than on Amazon? That marketplace is Wayfair. If you are selling anything home related from furniture to kitchen accessories, you are literally leaving money on the table by not being there. I am from Digital Solution Zone. Today I am breaking down everything you need to know about starting on Wayfair in 2026, including the wholesale model and the logistic trick that can save you thousands of fees. So first start with core consumer market and demand. Before you dive in, it's important to know where your buyers are. Wayfair's core consumer market are the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Germany. The vast majority of the demand sits in North America, but there are very strong growth pockets currently emerging in the UK and Germany. If you are selling from outside this region, you can still partner as a supplier, but remember that your listing will primarily surface to shoppers in this specific market. Plan your shipping lanes and packaging standards around these addresses to ensure success. So let's talk about what is Wayfair in 2026. Wayfair is a dedicated home category marketplace focusing on furniture, decor, lighting, and outdoor goods. Unlike Amazon's referred fee model, Wayfair generally operates on a wholesale model. You set the wholesale cost, Wayfair set the retail price the customer sees. And when an item sells, you get paid your agreed wholesale rate. In 2026, Wayfair invested heavily in its logistics networks, specifically for big and bulky products like sofas and dining tables. This makes it a powerhouse for items that are traditionally difficult and expensive to ship on other platforms. Now, the pros and cons for new sellers. Why should your brand consider Wayfair? Because there is high intent buyers. Customers come to Wayfair specifically to buy for their homes, leading to higher conversion rate. Castlegate Logistics. Wayfair's own network can store and ship your heavy item faster, boosting your organic visibility. Wayfair Professional. This B2B program connects you with contractors and interior design who make large repeat purchases. However, there are challenges. Wayfair control the final retail price, so your wholesale math must be perfect to protect your margins. You also need high-quality, durable packaging to prevent damage during the shipping of heavy goods, and you must be prepared for Wayfair's specific payout schedules. Your 5-step strategic roadmap. Ready to launch? Here is your roadmap map. Step 1. The application. Apply to sell Wayfair.com with your business detail and proof that you can meet their high service levels. Step 2. Catalog building. Accurate dimensions, assembly notes, and lifestyle photos are non-negotiable. Step 3. Fulfillment choice. Decide between dropship and Castlegate for faster delivery. Step 4. Niche launch. Start with a tight assortment of your best seller without trying to list everything at once. Step 5. Ad strategy. Use Wayfair PPC tools carefully to gain initial impression and accelerate your brand's growth. Wholesale margins and global payouts. On Wayfair, your wholesale price must cover everything: product cost, packaging, inland freight, and buffer for promotion. Managing your cash flow is critical because Wayfair follows set payout terms. At Digital Solution Zone, we recommend using multi-currency account to handle your payouts. If you receive USD from Wayfair but you need to pay supply is CNY or Euro. A professional global payment setup helps you avoid high conversion fees and lock in favorable rates, making your international operation much more profitable. If your products fit home category and you can manage the logistic of bulky items, Wayfair is a massive growth channel for 2026. The key is margin discipline and excellent product content. At Digital Solution Zone, we specialize in marketplace management and logistic optimization for high-ticket items. We handle the technical setup and SEO so you can focus on building a world-class home brand. For inquiries or marketplace audits, contact us at info@digitalsolutionszone.com. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest e-commerce trend and strategies. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye.